Welcome! In this tutorial, we're going to have a look at how to insert a check mark, a tick, in Excel, which can, in some cases, be an effective way to improve the clarity of a data table. Let's begin. If you'd like to include a tick or a check mark in a data table, you can do it in multiple ways. Here, we'll go through the quickest and simplest one. Ready? First, select the cell where you'd like to insert the check mark. Then open the Insert tab and click on Symbol. You'll see this pop-up window where you'll find a lot of different symbols you can use in a spreadsheet. We'll focus on the check mark, which we'll look up right here by selecting Wingdings as font here at the top and choosing the right symbol from the range of symbols offered. You can go for the regular check mark, a plain tick, or a check mark in a box. Let's go for the plain tick now, so click on the symbol we've picked, then click on Insert, and the symbol appears in the selected cell. We close the window now, and we can use the same way to insert the other type of the check mark in the cell below. There we go. Both symbols are in their places, and now we can have a look at a couple of tips and tricks you might find useful. We can set the alignment of the check marks within the cells as needed. Select the cells with the symbols, and here, in the Home tab, click on the alignment option you want to use. We'll align the check marks so that they appear in the center of the cells. The color of the symbols can also be adjusted according to what we need. Simply click on the symbol, go to the Font section in the Home tab, and select the right color. We've picked this dark green, so we'll click on our selection, and the check mark shows in the color we've chosen. To copy the symbols to other cells is an easy task to do. You can follow the regular hotkey, have the symbol selected, press the Control button and C, then go to the target cell and to paste, press the Control key and V, and that's it.